Hi all, welcome to our channel. I'm Evelyn. I'm Evelyn. You're watching LYN'S World of Knowledge. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Hi viewers, welcome to another episode of LYN'S World of Knowledge. What's today's information, Evelyn? Today's information about 10 animals talk. Evelyn, do you know that in real world animals cannot talk? But I heard some animals can talk. How? No, Evelyn. Animals can only imitate the sound of humans. They are called vocal learners. They hear the sound and learn how to imitate them. Some of the most skilled vocal learners are beluga whales, dolphins, songbirds, and parrots. Animals may not be able to speak in master language techniques, but they are certainly able to communicate with one another. Their survival depends on it. Some species rely more on one form of communication over another. However, they all various methods to show affection, ward off threats, or attract a mate. We will explain signs of some animals' communication. Hippopotamus. When we hear hippopotamus roaring and grunting, it's time to run away. Feel threatened. If hippopotamus yawns to show off its teeth, get even more worried if it splashes and scoops the water. Chimpanzees. Much like humans, chimpanzees use facial expression to communicate with each other. If chimpanzees show a fear grin, it's a signal of non-threatened. If chimpanzees by pouting its lips, they express anxiety. An open mouth is a sign that Chim wants to play. Some interesting reasons to communicate the animals. Wolves. Wolves howl to declare their territory, to call each other, and to show they are a part of a pack. Chick. Chick tap its parents' beak to say, "Feed me, feed me." Tigers. Tigers urinate on trees to mark their territory and to avoid competitions. Gorilla. A male gorilla beats its chest, show how big and strong it is. We will show you what they are saying. This poison dark frog's colors say, "Do not eat me, I will poison you." The firefly's bright colors tell predators it tastes bad and should be left alone. A male frilled lizard sends out a huge flap of skin to show females how attractive he is. A male leader of a troop of mandrill has a vivid red stripe on his nose, reminding the rest of the troop who is the boss. A skunk's black and white colors warns of its foul-smelling spray. Hope it was interesting and you enjoyed our video. If you did, smash that like button and share with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you next time.